PS5 DualSense battery draining fast fixed? Are you tired of your PS5 controller dying in the middle of a boss fight? It is incredibly frustrating when your DualSense battery drains in just a few hours. We have all been there. It ruins the immersion and stops your gaming fun. Do not worry. You can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. We will get you back in the game. Please comment below if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Vibes for more tech tips. Let us start with the real solutions. These steps are verified from official support pages and real user feedback. Follow them carefully. The first step is a simple update. Sometimes the controller software needs a patch to improve power efficiency. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controller, General. Select DualSense Wireless Controller Device Software to check for updates. Next, let us adjust the power saving settings. This stops the controller from draining battery when you are not using it. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power Saving. Select Set Time until controllers turn off, change this to 10 minutes. The light bar on your controller is a huge power drain. Reducing the brightness can save a lot of energy. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controller. Select Brightness of Controller Indicators. Set this to dim. Vibration and haptic feedback are the biggest battery killers. These motors use a lot of power during intense gaming. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controller. Select Vibration Intensity. Set it to weak or off. Do the same for trigger effect intensity. The built-in speaker and microphone also consume power. Turning them down helps your battery last longer. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controller. Select Controller Speaker and turn the volume down. Also, mute the microphone when not in use. If software settings do not help, try a hard reset. This can clear internal errors that cause fast drain. Find the small hole on the back of the controller. Use a paper clip to press the button for 5 seconds. Then reconnect it to the console with a cable. Finally, make sure your console provides power to the USB ports during rest mode. Go to Settings, System, Power Saving, and enable supply power to USB ports. With these steps, your controller will last much longer. Happy gaming!